In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dropbox Selective Sync. If your computer is running low on space, or you simply don't need every folder available offline, Selective Sync is a quick way to keep what you need on your computer and leave everything else safely in the cloud. Nothing is deleted from your Dropbox account. You're just choosing which folders live on your hard drive. You can change these choices anytime and you'll still be able to access everything on Dropbox.com or on other devices where those folders aren't excluded. Start by opening the Dropbox desktop app menu. On Windows, click the Dropbox icon in the taskbar area near the clock. On Mac, look for the Dropbox icon in the menu bar at the top of the screen. When the Dropbox window opens, click your profile image or initials in the top right corner. From that menu, choose Preferences to open the settings for the desktop app. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Sync tab. This is where Dropbox manages how content is stored locally versus in the cloud, and it's where you'll find the Selective Sync section. In the Selective Sync section, click the button labeled Select Folders. You'll see a list of the folders in your Dropbox. Uncheck the box next to any folder you want to remove from your computer while keeping it in your online Dropbox. This is a great place to target large archives, old projects, or media libraries you don't need every day. Take a moment to review the list so you keep your most frequently used folders checked for offline access. When you're satisfied, click Save to apply your changes. After you click Save, Dropbox will begin removing the local copies of any folders you unchecked. This may take a few moments, especially for larger folders, but you'll see your available disk space increase as the process completes. The folders you unchecked will no longer appear in your local Dropbox folder on this computer, but they remain intact in your account online and on any other device where they aren't excluded. If you ever need a folder back, return to the same Selective Sync screen, check it again, and click Save. Dropbox will re-download it. A couple of quick tips. Make sure any recent changes finish syncing before excluding a folder, and remember that unchecked folders won't be available offline on this device. That's it. Simple, flexible, and a great way to manage storage. Thanks for watching.